Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, the three angles of a quadrilateral are 52 degree, 50 degree and 105 degree respectively. Find the fourth angle. Here we have given three angles of a quadrilateral are 52 degree, 50 degree and 105 degree. Let the fourth angle of a quadrilateral be x degree, as sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 52 degree plus 50 degree plus 105 degree plus x degree equals to 360 degree. So 207 degree plus x degree will be 360 degree. Subtract 207 from both sides, we get x degree equals to 153 degree. Hence, the fourth angle of a quadrilateral is 153 degree.